Hey everyone, ready to ride the future of urban commuting and pure fun? Today we're diving into the top 5 best electric skateboards of 2024. Whether you're cruising to class, zipping through the city, or just enjoying a joyride, we've got the perfect board for you. Let's get rolling. Number 1. Backfire G2. This board has become a staple in the electric skateboard community, offering a great balance of performance and affordability. The Backfire G2 is perfect for beginners and intermediate riders looking for a reliable and affordable entry into electric skateboarding. It's great for everyday use, ensuring a smooth ride every time. Pros: affordable. It's one of the most budget-friendly boards without compromising on quality. Smooth ride. Thanks to its dual 400W hub motors, you'll experience a very smooth and stable ride. Range. It offers a solid range of up to 12.5 miles on a single charge. Cons: speed. The top speed of 24 miles per hour is decent, but not the fastest on the market. Terrain. It's not the best for rough terrains due to its less powerful motors. Number 2. WOWGO 2S Max. This board is renowned for its fantastic balance of performance and price, making it a favorite among many riders. The WOWGO 2S Max is fantastic for those who want a bit more power and range without breaking the bank. Its smooth acceleration and braking make it a versatile option for both city cruising and suburban exploring. Pros: speed. With a top speed of 28 miles per hour, it's quite zippy. Range: a respectable range of up to 14.3 miles. Build quality: solid construction and great flex on the deck, which makes for comfortable rides. Cons: heavy. It's a bit on the heavier side, which might be a downside if you need to carry it around. Vibrations: not the best on very rough roads, you'll feel the bumps. Number 3. XWAY Flex Pro. Now, for those looking to step up their game, the XWAY Flex Pro is a beast in the world of electric skateboards. The XWAY Flex Pro is perfect for those who want top performance and are willing to invest a bit more. It's versatile, powerful, and offers a customizable ride that few other boards can match, making it ideal for both casual riders and serious enthusiasts. Pros: top speed. This board can reach speeds up to 30 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest in its class. Range: an impressive range of up to 20 miles. Customization: you can adjust the power settings via the XWAY app, which is super cool. Cons: price. It's a bit pricier, but you're paying for premium features. Weight. It's on the heavier side, which can be a drawback for portability. Number 4. Meo V5. Meo is known for delivering high-quality boards at competitive prices, and the V5 is no exception. The Meo V5 is an excellent choice for those who need a durable, high-speed board that can tackle various environments. Its robust build and impressive speed make it great for urban commuting and weekend adventures alike. Pros: speed. This board can hit a top speed of 29 miles per hour. Range: offers up to 17 miles on a single charge. Durability: built tough, it can handle a variety of terrains. Cons: comfort. The deck is a bit stiff, which might not be as comfortable for long rides. Noise: the motors can be a bit noisy at high speeds. Number 5. Team G H5. This board is all about sleek design and performance, standing out in the crowded market. The Team G H5 is perfect for those who prioritize style and portability without sacrificing too much on performance. Its sleek design makes it stand out, and it's great for short commutes and casual rides. Pros: slim design. It's one of the slimmest electric skateboards out there, making it super stylish and easy to carry. Speed: can reach speeds up to 25 miles per hour. Range: offers a decent range of up to 11 miles. Cons: power. Not as powerful as some of the other boards on this list. Flexibility: the deck is quite stiff, which might not be ideal for all riders. Before you go, be sure to check out this video right here. It's all about the best soundbars in 2024. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.